How can I set my PSN account as primary on two PS4 consoles?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on making the most of your PSN account. Today, we will be addressing a common question among PS4 users. Can you set your PSN account as primary on two PS4 consoles?
Understanding PSN primary account setting.
First things first, we need to understand what it means to set a PSN account as primary on a PS4 console. When you designate your PSN account as primary on a console, it means that all the benefits of your PSN account, like games and PlayStation Plus membership, are shared with other users on that console. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Sony allows a PSN account to be set as primary only on one PS4 console at a time. This limitation is in place to control the sharing of purchased content and to ensure that the benefits of a PSN account are used by a single household.
Can you bypass this restriction?
Despite the limitation mentioned above, it is possible to use your PSN account on multiple PS4 consoles, but it's important to remember that you can't set it as primary on more than one console. Here's a workaround. 1. Set your PSN account as primary on the console that is used by others. This allows them to enjoy the benefits of your PSN account without needing to log into your account. 2. On the second console, simply log into your PSN account whenever you want to play. This requires that you have internet access, as you'll need to verify your account credentials each time. It's worth noting that this method doesn't breach Sony's terms of service, but it does mean you'll need an internet connection on the second console whenever you want to use your PSN account. And there we have it. While you can't technically set your PSN account as primary on two PS4 consoles, there are ways to enjoy your games and PlayStation Plus benefits on multiple consoles. We hope this guide has been useful, and remember, always adhere to Sony's terms of service to avoid any potential issues with your account. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!